In this video, I'll show you how to embed a wholesale registration form in your Shopify store using the ECA Wholesale app. First, open the ECA Wholesale application from your Shopify dashboard. Next, go to the form configuration page and click on Add New Form to create a wholesale registration form. Customize the form based on your requirements, then click Save. Once saved, copy the shortcode provided. Now, return to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to Online Store arrow pages. Click Add Page, give your page a suitable name, for example, Wholesale Registration, and paste the shortcode into the page description. After that, go back to Online Store and click on Edit Theme to open the theme editor. In the editor, navigate to the page you just created. On the left-hand side, look for the App section and enable the Wholesale Registration Form extension. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Your wholesale registration form is now successfully embedded and ready to use on your store. That's it for today.